Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. The rise of Japanese automakers in the global market. Japanese automakers burst onto the global scene in the 1980s, capturing the imagination of car buyers across Europe, North America, and beyond. Their growth wasn't accidental, it was the outcome of deliberate strategies, meticulous planning, and relentless innovation. Before the 1980s, Japanese cars were often perceived as lesser alternatives to American or European vehicles. However, this perception changed dramatically as the decade progressed. Japanese automakers like Toyota, Honda, and Nissan didn't just make incremental improvements, they redefined what cars could be. They introduced models that were more fuel efficient, reliable, and technologically advanced than many of their Western counterparts. This era saw the rise of Japanese cars that combined affordability with quality, creating a compelling value proposition that was hard to ignore. Economic factors and trade policies. Japan's economic landscape in the 1980s played a crucial role in the rise of its automotive industry. The country was experiencing a period of rapid economic growth, often referred to as the Japanese economic miracle, which began in the post-World War II era and continued into the 1980s. This period was characterized by significant industrial expansion, technological innovation, and a strong export-driven economy. The Japanese government played an instrumental role in this growth by implementing policies that supported key industries, including automotive manufacturing. The Ministry of International Trade and Industry, MITI, provided guidance and support to automakers through tax incentives, low-interest loans, and research and development funding. These policies encouraged innovation and allowed Japanese automakers to invest heavily in new technologies and production methods. Japan's export-driven strategy was supported by favorable trade agreements and a currency that, at the time, was undervalued relative to the US dollar. This made Japanese cars more affordable in key markets like the United States and Europe. Furthermore, the Japanese government negotiated voluntary export restraints with the US, which limited the number of Japanese cars that could be imported. While this might seem like a restriction, it actually helped Japanese automakers by forcing them to focus on producing higher quality, higher margin vehicles for export. Innovations in technology and manufacturing. One of the most significant factors behind the success of Japanese automakers in the 1980s was their pioneering approach to technology and manufacturing. Japanese companies were at the forefront of adopting and refining lean manufacturing techniques, which revolutionized the way cars were produced. Lean manufacturing, often associated with the Toyota production system, was a radical departure from traditional mass production methods. The core principle of lean manufacturing is to maximize value by minimizing waste, be it time, materials, or labor. This approach led to significant improvements in efficiency, allowing Japanese automakers to produce high-quality vehicles at lower costs. The just-in-time, JIT, production system was a key component of this lean manufacturing approach. Instead of maintaining large inventories of parts and materials, JIT focused on producing and delivering parts just as they were needed in the manufacturing process. This minimized inventory costs and reduced waste, while also ensuring that the production line could quickly adapt to changes in demand or product design. Japanese automakers also led the way in applying total quality management, TQM, principles, which emphasized continuous improvement and the involvement of all employees in the quality control process. This focus on quality was reflected in the reliability and durability of Japanese cars, which quickly became a hallmark of brands like Toyota and Honda. Consumers began to associate Japanese cars with longevity and low maintenance costs, which was a stark contrast to the reputation of many American and European cars of the time. Technological innovation was another area where Japanese automakers excelled. In the 1980s, they were quick to adopt new technologies that improved fuel efficiency, safety, and overall performance. For example, the development of more efficient engines, including the use of multi-valve technology and electronic fuel injection systems, helped Japanese cars achieve better fuel economy and lower emissions. Japanese automakers also invested in advanced robotics and automation in their factories, further enhancing efficiency and consistency in production. These technologies allowed them to maintain high levels of precision and quality while keeping costs under control. key players in the Japanese automotive industry. The 1980s saw the rise of several Japanese automakers that would go on to become global powerhouses. Each of these companies brought something unique to the table, contributing to the overall success of the Japanese automotive industry. Toyota, pioneering reliability and efficiency. Toyota's rise to prominence in the 1980s was no accident. The company's commitment to quality and efficiency set it apart from many of its competitors. Toyota's approach to manufacturing, particularly its development of the Toyota production system, became a model for the entire industry. One of Toyota's most successful models during the 1980s was the Corolla, a compact car that became synonymous with reliability and fuel efficiency. The Corolla's success was due in large part to Toyota's commitment to quality control and its ability to deliver a high-quality vehicle at an affordable price. The Corolla quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, establishing Toyota as a major player in the global automotive market. Another key model for Toyota during this period was the Camry, which was introduced in the early 1980s as a larger, more luxurious alternative to the Corolla. The Camry was designed to appeal to a broader audience, including families and professionals, and it quickly gained a reputation for its comfort, reliability, and value. The success of the Camry further solidified Toyota's reputation as a manufacturer of high-quality, reliable vehicles. Honda, revolutionizing performance and design. Honda took a different approach from Toyota, focusing on performance, innovation, and design. While Toyota emphasized reliability and efficiency, Honda carved out a niche by offering cars that were not only reliable but also fun to drive and stylish. This approach appealed to a younger, more performance-oriented demographic. The Civic, one of Honda's flagship models, became a symbol of the brand's innovative spirit. The Civic was known for its compact size, fuel efficiency, and surprisingly agile performance. It was a car that appealed to a wide range of consumers, from young professionals to families. The Civic's success was a testament to Honda's ability to combine practicality with performance, offering a car that was both affordable and enjoyable to drive. The Accord, another key model for Honda, was introduced as a mid-size sedan that offered a more refined and comfortable driving experience. The Accord quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the United States, thanks to its blend of performance, fuel efficiency, and build quality. Honda also made significant strides in the motorcycle industry during the 1980s, further establishing itself as a leader in performance and engineering. The company's success in both the automotive and motorcycle markets showcased its versatility and ability to innovate across different vehicle segments. That was just the beginning of the Japanese automotive revolution in the 80s. But there's so much more to uncover. Stay tuned for Part 2, where we'll dive even deeper into their impact on the global stage and how they influenced the entire industry. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.